Twinkle Twinkle?
No.
With those high notes?
Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Gigi. Happy birthday, Gabi. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday. Hola, Gabriela, ¿cómo estás? Hola, Gabriela.
Whose birthday is it?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Is it my birthday?
No.
No. Is it Daddy's birthday?
No.
Is it Nana's birthday?
No.
Is it Gigi's birthday?
No.
Is it Bill's birthday?
No.
Is it Amory's birthday?
No.
Is it Porter's birthday? What about Riley?
Is it Nilla's birthday?
No.
Whose birthday is it?
My brother.
Your birthday? How old are you?
Is that his birthday?
Almost two.
2. Dice casi 2.
Almost two.
Almost 2? I think you're 2 now.
No, almost two.
Qué
Ay.
poca pula.
Two in mommy.
Estás en el brazo de mamá.
Es una viejita. Yo estoy sorprendida, estoy en shock desde que llegué.
Happy birthday, no.
Oh, thank you. Gracias. Hoy es mi cumpleaños. Gracias, gracias.
Happy birthday, no.
Gracias, Gaby.
Happy birthday, no.
Gracias, Gaby.
Okay, who wants to go upstairs and see more surprises?
I do.
Okay. Shall we?
Whose birthday is it today?
My birthday. Linda birthday? No. Oh.
¿Qué dice?
Nana birthday? No. Gigi birthday? No. Daddy birthday? No. Mommy birthday? No.
What about Bill?
Bear birthday? No.
Julián, ella es un fenómeno.
What
Whose birthday is
about- is
it?
it Riley's birthday?
So is nobody's birthday?
Mhm.
Nobody's birthday?
Whose birthday?
Huh.
My birthday.
What's your name?
Juliana.
No, that's your mommy.
¿Te dijo tu nombre?
Juliana. Say, Gabriela Parker Johnson.
Gabriela Parker Johnson.
Garcera.
Garcera.
Can you sing?
Diana.
Garcera.
Diana.
Garcera. Ana Garcera.
Diana.
Nana Garcera.
Diana.
Nana Garcera.
¿Cómo se llama Daddy?
Happy birthday, darling.
What's Daddy's name?
Juliana.
No, that's Mommy's. What's Daddy's name? Muy bien.
¿Cómo?
Honey Daddy Wesley. What is his name again? Say it loud. Say it loud.
Honey's daddy Wesley.
¿Y el apellido and the last name? Is it Johnson? Can you say Honey Daddy Wesley Johnson?
Honey daddy Wesley Johnson.
Are you going to eat that?